Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive video showing you how to do Colombian turns. We really like this. It's a nice way of making your Colombians more interesting, and obviously you could do this on a long Colombian going in one direction and just do them going in one direction. We're going to show you a nice compact version where we're going to do a turn on the way out and a turn on the way back. So it's like a Colombian and back, but with the turns added in both directions. Links to some videos that are going to make sure you're prepared for everything you'd need to know to start this. So you're going to be familiar with Colombians already. So we'll show you it, see what you think, and then we'll break it down. So it goes 7 and 8, back, in, twist, step behind, in front, behind and changing, and through and back and through and turn and twist, in, under and face, return and back. So basically all we're doing is we're taking a standard Colombian going on where you'd go behind and in front and behind. And at some point, when the lady is about to go behind, instead of us stopping her and going step in front, we allow the lady's rotation to carry on. So you get step behind becomes a turn to go step behind. So effectively the lady goes turn and then and behind when she would have been going in front normally. So what happens is if you're both going behind together after the turn, one of you will be behind, one of you will be in front. And if you were already out of sync, as it were, you'll end up in sync. Okay, so we'll break down what we did. But obviously you can generalize from here. So we go man's left, lady's right, we go back, we come in. First move entry, we're going to pick up the shoulder blade. Guys are going to weight that back foot. So guys go back left, ladies go back right. This is our standard setup for a Colombian from a first move. Weight onto the front foot. We're both going to step square, and then we're going to go behind. So normal Colombian at this point. We're going to step square, then we're going to go in front. Now this time when the lady's going behind, we're going to take the hand over the head and let it keep turning. So we go square. As the lady goes behind, the guy goes behind, but the hand goes over the head and we release with the right. So the lady's now turning. We step square, so the lady comes around, recollect. Don't try and change the lady's direction. So guys, you go in front. Now ladies, go behind when they would have been going in front, because that's what the guys still do. We're going to change direction, so rock onto the back foot. We're going to come square. Guys in front, ladies behind. Going to become square. Guys behind, ladies in front. This time the ladies are about to go behind, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this for the ending as well. So we're going to come square. As the lady goes behind, we go over the top, guys go in front. We come round to go square and into the twist out and finish the first move off. In, under and face, return and back. From the other side. And we'll talk numbers. So we go back, 1, in, 2, we twist out, 3. And then, as always, we take 2 steps per count. So we go square behind, square in front, so 1 count for each pair, square behind, that's where the turn starts, square in front for the guys, behind for the ladies, that's 1 count. We switch directions, so we go rock, and then we go square in front for the guys, behind for the ladies. Step for the guys, in front for the ladies. Last one, we go step, start the turn, guys come through. So again, 2 steps for 1 count. We come square, twist out, and then we're back into normal count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Most of the time when I've taught classes, if I count the numbers all the way through the walk, it tends to put people off. So I'm not going to do it. And I'm going to use descriptive words at the correct times, and I think you'll find it more useful. Here we go. 5, 6, Colombian turns. We go a back, in, twist, square behind, square in front, turn the lady, guys in front, rock, step behind and in front, turn the lady, twist out, in, under and face, return and back. And that is it. If you find the way I called it actually puts you off, do tell me in the comments below, and I will take that feedback in hand. But if you find it works well for you, tell us that too, because that way I can make sure I'm doing the best for people as we go forwards. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. One of them is a link to a music video of a tune that would be good to do this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.